So guys, in this video I will show how to add RFID card to Apple Wallet. To use this feature, you'll need an iPhone 6s or later, an Apple Watch Series 3 or later, a supported RFID card, and a compatible app, such as your workplace or school's official app. Start by downloading the compatible app from the App Store, then add your RFID card by scanning it or entering the details manually. If available, enable Express mode for quicker access. Once set up, test the feature by tapping your iPhone or Apple Watch on a reader. This setup works with employee badges, student IDs, digital keys, and certain boarding passes. Make sure to check with your organization to confirm that your card is supported. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.